time flies in fast cars. The Toyota GR Supra certainly qualifies as one of those, and it's hard to believe it has already been about 5 years since Toyota resurrected its storied sports car. Now, the Supra's A90 generation is ready to say goodbye with a limited production special edition. Unfortunately, the 2025 Toyota Supra A90 Final Edition will only be sold overseas. The GR Supra A90 Final Edition is available exclusively in black and comes with a series of upgrades. The styling includes a revised aero kit, featuring a vented hood, a more aggressive front splitter, canards, and a carbon fiber rear spoiler with a swan neck design. The Akrapovic titanium muffler, with dual tailpipes and a distinct afterburner effect, adds some flair to the exhaust note. It rides on 19-inch front and 20-inch rear titanium black wheels, complemented by red brake calipers. The chassis is upgraded with adjustable KW suspension, stiffer stabilizer bars, more camber, and upgraded Brembo brakes. More importantly, the turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine from BMW has been upgraded to produce 429 horsepower, 320 kilowatts/435 PS, and 570 Newton meters, 428 pound-foot of torque. That's an additional 94 horsepower, 70 kilowatts/95 PS, and 70 Newton meters, 52 pound-foot compared to the standard 6-cylinder GR Supra. The power is sent exclusively to the rear wheels via a 6-speed manual transmission, keeping things old school for enthusiasts. Inside, Toyota made the Supra's cockpit feel even more driver-centric. Not only does it have carbon fiber Recaro Podium CF front buckets, but the driver's seat and the Alcantara surfaces on the door and center console are colored red. Meanwhile, the passenger's side is black, save for the red seatbelt. Cargo space is similarly cramped, but the cargo area, accessed via a hatchback, is roomy enough for a couple of carry-on suitcases or about a week's worth of groceries for two. The GR Supra's central display is an 8.8-inch unit with a very lightly reskin version of BMW's latest iDrive interface. A digital gauge display, which actually boasts a distinct design compared with the Bimmer, is standard across the range. Navigation and Apple CarPlay capability are both available, but Android Auto isn't offered. A 12-speaker JBL audio system is optional, but we expect the standard 10-speaker audio system will be enough for most buyers, considering the size of the GR Supra's interior. Production of the A90 Final Edition will be limited to just 300 units for Japan and Europe, meaning getting your hands on one may require some luck and possibly a lottery entry. According to Creative Trend, the initial allocation for Japan has been reduced from 200 units to 150, meaning half of the production will be reserved for European buyers. While Toyota has yet to announce the pricing for Japan, Japanese media speculate the cost could be around 15 million yen, $100,100, which, to be fair, is significantly cheaper than the European pricing.